Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a cannot access or open Windows app folder on Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a file explorer, go to your C drive, go open a program files. After doing this stat, click on view, go to your show and check it is a hidden items. Now you can see that. After doing this stat, open up Windows app, click on continue, click on security tab, go to your advanced owners, unable to display current owner, so click on change it and type your username. So how to check your username? Open a command prompt. After doing this step, find out a user to type a echo space percentage username and percentage and press enter. So in my case is a my username is a space I space t. So find out your computer username. So in my case is a AIT. So close it and type a username and click on check name. Now you can see that. After doing this, click on OK button, and after that click on a replace owner on subcontinental and objects. Select it, click on apply, click on OK. So it's required of a few seconds to complete the process. Click on OK button, click on OK and click on OK button and close it. Now after that open it. Now you can see that. Close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.